Fart coin is up. Oh my God, 75 mil market cap. See, look, even a coin like Fart is up. Like that's amazing. I really can't hate it. What's up, guys? Bitcoin is reaching a new all-time high. By the minute, the FOMC meeting is cutting interest rates again. The market is reacting massively. As well, we added a new crypto to our portfolio and one that I think is going to do very well. So if that interests you, stick around. We'll get into that crypto later on. I'll give you my reasons why I'm very bullish on this one. I feel very good about this crypto. But first, let's get into the overall market. Let's go over crypto bubbles. We'll see the dominance, where altcoins are right now, where altcoins can go, what I think will happen in the coming weeks, especially to end Q4, and how I think we're going to start Q1. The FOMC meeting, which I think will pull up the news there, I think they finished, but let me just see, or they're about to maybe. Yes, okay, they did. So let's get to the article. As always, if you enjoy these coffee episodes, I had some coffee before, so I'm feeling it. I've been drinking tea all week, and I think tea is actually better for me and my energy level. I'm a little more amped up today than usual, but get your tea, get your coffee, get your water, and let's get on today's episode. If you enjoy these episodes, by all means, drop a coffee emoji, say coffee with John, or put your funniest nickname for me, which I see many funny nicknames. So by all means, let's get started. And I appreciate you guys for watching, by the way. I always do. Let me just make sure I'm sharing. Fed meeting today. FOMC cuts rate by a quarter, which is 25 basis points. Definitely good. It puts us more into this bull run, especially heading into Q1 of this year coming up. Man, I'm feeling bullish. Are you feeling bullish, by the way? If you are feeling bullish, if your portfolio is green today, drop a comment down below and let me know. Okay, this is the graph. Fed cut rates by a quarter point, stays the course. Okay, so this is good because you want to see Jerome Powell and the Fed actually do what they say they're going to do. How the market reacts negatively is if they say they're going to cut interest rates or say they're going to stop doing this and they go a whole different route. That's where the market reacts bad and starts selling Bitcoin and selling altcoins. So just keep that in mind. They're following through with their plan. And with Trump getting elected, he's a businessman. He's very good at the economy, contrary to what maybe you believe. I'm not here to get into politics. I'm just saying when it comes to investing, Trump is a very good candidate. Well, now he's a president for the economy to be bullish. That's why the stock market had so much money inflows after he got elected. That's why crypto is booming, because a lot of the whales and influencers know this. So just keep that in mind if you're new. Okay, so this one you need a subscription for. Let's find another article. Let's see. Let's read this one. So let's see if we find anything, any new information on this. So this is from 20 minutes ago. Federal Reserve cut interest rates by a quarter percentage point as policymakers took a note of a job market that has generally eased while inflation continues to move towards the U.S. central bank's 2% target. That's their target. Whether they hit or not is anyone's guess, but the fact that we're getting closer to that target is bullish. Again, people are going to start already moving their money from risk off assets to risk on assets. Okay. You're already seeing it take place. Bitcoin's reaching new all-time highs as we speak. Don't be surprised by the time we get to Bitcoin's chart later on in the video that it's at 77K or more. It already got pretty close to it. And people are saying it's going to be 80K by the end of the day, which I'm not saying that can't happen. Anything can happen. It's crypto, right? Economic activity has continued to expand at a solid pace. I agree. The central bank rates, set the end of two-day policy, which officials lowered the benchmark overnight interest rate to the 4.5% interest, 4.75% range, as widely expected. The decision was unanimous, which is good. It was right on schedule, and it was key that they followed through with the market expectations. Despite the results of the election, I also agree, because if they had walked back the expectation to cut, it would have been perceived as political and it would have been bad too. So what they basically assert is that one, they are an apolitical organization and they follow through as planned, and two, they are fully cognizant of the dual side risk related to the labor market and continuing towards the neutral rate will alleviate any risk to the labor market unraveling. I'm very happy that Jerome Powell is following through. I definitely do agree on that one. Then someone else said, as expected, the FOMC announced a 25 basis cut point, marking a reduction in their aggression relative to the September cut. Notably, longer-term rates have been on a steep upward trajectory since the first cut and have begun to decline post-announcement today. With the backdrop of economic strength in the U.S., the path will likely be more complex for the Fed than a steady pace of cutting. And then someone else said, so this was a big non-surprise result, which I agree with. How do you feel about the Fed's decision today to cut interest rates? Personally, I think it's great that they're following through, but I'm very curious what you think. Let me know in the comments. Let's see if we find anything else on crypto today, or maybe Trump, if he has any news. Let's see what else we find. One more article should be good. This one came out 38 minutes ago. This should be an interesting read. It involves Coinbase and Elon Musk. Elon Musk, CZ, Coinbase, Brian Armstrong add billions to net worth post Trump win. Okay. So, yeah, these guys are big leaders in crypto. Brian Armstrong is one of the best founders of an exchange. Coinbase is one of the best exchanges. CZ's got a lot of power. People are rallying since he came out of prison. And Elon Musk is Elon Musk. You don't have to really explain anything else further. He's very pro-crypto, and he's also pro-Trump. And he also had Trump on X for a space, which I watched, which was very good. So all three of these guys are very successful businessmen, and they're also pushing crypto forward. I'm not the biggest fan of CZ, but I do know he has a lot of power in crypto, which does help us. Let's now get into crypto bubbles, and then we'll get to the Bitcoin dominance. And then we'll get into the new play as well, because some of you are probably waiting for that as well. So let's share this. And if we find their new play here, we'll announce it, but I doubt we'll find it here. So this is the 900 to 1,000. You see, meme coins are up. Memes are a very strong narrative this cycle. I've been saying it. A lot of people are skeptic. I notice utility investors, they kind of remind me of stock investors, where like they're just so set in their ways. And listen, I used to be like that. When I was in stocks, I was the same way. I didn't want to invest into anything outside the S&P 500. When I came in crypto, I bought Ethereum, and I was like, Dogecoin's probably fine. But I was like bearish on it at first. And then I eventually missed out on Shiba Inu, realized there was so much money to be made. And then eventually I found my way to get Turbo, which was one of our best calls. And then Hobby, which is also a great call. So the thing is this, right? It's not about what's the strongest on paper. It's what is strong this cycle. That's what you have to ask. You know, sometimes you have utility plays, which we have 95% of our portfolios, at least for me, utility. And now we have, 5% or a little bit more now into memes. So it depends on what balance you want and what you're looking for. You know, some people are all memes and some are all utility. I think a balance of both are great. As you can see here, a lot of memes are up today. Never heard of this one. This one's up 46%, a freaking cat. So you just gotta have an open mind in crypto. You can't be having an ego and just, acting like you're like it all and stuff, and like, oh, I'll never do this. Like when you're closed-minded to anything in life, your success is very limited. And oftentimes you let opportunities pass you by. So just say teach a moment, not just your crypto, but also in life. Try to be open-minded. Don't always be a flip-flopper and change your perspective every 5 minutes, but have an open mind. See both sides to everything. That's how I've always been. A lot of green here. Nubcat, that's a nice picture. That one's up. I see Alien Base went down. I particularly don't like that one, but I do see it's up a decent amount though. Whoever had that one in profit, good job. I think it was Brian called that one. Let's see. What is this? Mr. Miggles on base. Yeah, this one's up. Not bad. Yeah, all the Trump coins are down because they sold off after the election. That was the big catalyst for it. So unless Trump comes out, something big happens, you're not really going to see too much, I would say, upwards price action for those coins unless, something crazy happens. Like he makes an announcement on crypto or something, See, this one's up. What's that one? Navi Protocol. I heard about that one. Okay. What's this one? Red Pepe. 46 million market cap. Jesus. I thought I saw that one before. Interesting. I don't know. I'm not really the most bullish on derivative coins. Like the real Pepe is obviously the best one. But hey, if you guys make money on this or red Pepe, I mean it's a nice color, nice hat, nice picture. By all means, I'm never gonna say you're a bad investor. Like one thing about me, I'll never project my beliefs on someone and say, yeah, if you go against what I say or think, you're an idiot. Like I'm very open-minded again. I'm very in your corner to help you make money. Like I want to see you guys succeed. It doesn't have to be on just what I believe. So just keep that in mind for, especially if you're new to my channel. By the way, welcome if you are new. I see Lucy's up. Nice. Maneki, I heard about this one. That's a cat. Nice. Trump is down. Fartcoin is up. Oh my God. 75 mil market cap. See, look, even a coin like Fart is up. Like, that's amazing. I really can't hate it. What do they say? Hate the player, don't hate the game. You can't hate the game on this one. It's up 75 mil market cap. Listen, that's impressive, regardless if I'm bullish or bearish on it, regardless if I want to get it or not, which I'm not getting it. I want to be clear on this. I'm not getting into this one. I do have somewhat of a moral standpoint when it comes to dumb names like this in crypto. Like it has to have a nice name to me, and that's just stupid as pretty much anything else I've seen that's, for lack of a better word, not bullish for me. But hey, that's cool, all right, let's keep going. See Nero. I don't think that's the one that pumped a lot though. That's not the real one, but I see it's up. That's a derivative coin. I'm pretty almost positive that's a derivative coin. Not bad, not bad. Let's go to the 200s. Let's see what's over here. Sundog. See, look, a lot of memes are up. See, this is up. I did see that. Okay. Simon's cat. Orga. That's a nice picture. I did see that one on Coinbase. What's this one? Van Arche. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Oh, wait. I just saw Moonwell. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's get to the 1 to 200 range. Holy crap. Shout out to Archetype, man. David did amazing on this call. Moo dang. Those gains are as fat as this friggin' hippo. Congrats to those who got in. I missed that one, but listen, you can't get into all the coins. This one's using the same picture as Hoppy. I would definitely stay away. But then again, the market cap is so high, though. That looks like the same picture as Hoppy. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's a high market cap. If you got in, made profits. Kudos to you. I see Turbo's here. That one's a massive gainer for us. More on that in a little bit. I mean, Turbo, I think, is going to 10 cents in minimum this cycle, upwards of 50 cents. Coinbase is going to list it. I've been saying it. People won't believe me, but listen, you can watch it happen for yourself and realize I'm right. Not to sound cocky, I'm just saying they have it on international futures. Coinbase never does that. They very rarely do that for a meme coin. They didn't even do that for Pepe. So just keep that in mind. Here's the real Nero. Okay, holy crap, almost $1 billion market cap. That is amazing. This top 100 is changing because some of these coins I don't even recognize. I see, what's Caspa at? Caspa's at, okay, still sub 12 cents. Looks like it's struggling a little bit. What's this one? Mantle, nice. Gaussius Maximus, that's a dumb name, but nice. Pepe's up. Okay. I see Potential Tau is down just a little bit, but still above $500. Freaking amazing crypto. Love that one. I see Aerodrome's up for us. Aerodrome was on a rip. Look at this. Almost $1.50 again. It's not that far off from all-time high. Aerodrome is ripping it. Amazing. Are your cryptos right now in the green and the red? What are your strongest cryptos right now in your portfolio? Drop it down in the comments. Let's get the coin market cap now, and let's check out the fear and greed, Bitcoin dominance, the altcoin season index. Then we'll get into the new play we added into our portfolio, which I think will excite some of you. We'll more on that in a little bit. Let's get into, okay. Fear and greed is now 70, which makes sense. Bitcoin's at a new all-time high. Trump's elected, the rate cuts. They cut more interest rates, 25 basis points, 2.5 trillion market cap. That's really good. And the Bitcoin dominance, as expected, is 60.44%, although Ethereum did climb. And I saw Solana is about to break $200, which is amazing. So Solana's going to break 200. Ethereum's about to break 3,000, which this guy's right. Like, Ethereum got so much FUD. And I literally said in the last 2 videos, Ethereum is going to shock people. The FUD will not last for long. And what happened? It literally ran up, which we'll see in the chart very soon. So, but let's get into this now. Let's get a closer look. So the gas tank is on 3/4, which you can wait if you're already in the market, like fully invested, or you can utilize your watch list and see which altcoins are down, because not all of them are pumping. Yesterday was greed as well, but less. Okay, here's a chart for that. Yearly high, March 11th, extreme greed, 92. That was high, but we actually peaked in May of that year. This year rather. So yearly low, fear, 26, September 6, 2024. Wow, that was the best time to buy. Now let's check out Bitcoin dominance again. Let's see on the chart, 60% for Bitcoin. Okay, and it's up from the past day, week, and month. Let's go to the old season index. We're increasing. We're at 32. Yesterday was, okay, no, actually we're down 1 point from yesterday. But yeah, this is good. Definitely on track. Now let's get into the new position. I'm sure a lot of you guys are waiting for this. Probably like, come on, John, let's just get into it. The new call is Grago. It's a Matt Fury play. It's a little bit over 400 million supply, which is very scarce for a meme coin. Most meme coins are 1 billion, 100 billion, trillions. This is scarce. It's a fresh play. A lot of people are calling this the Blue Pepe, and we got it. If you missed Turbo when it was a 20 mil market cap, if you missed Hoppy at a 40 mil market cap, this is a new fresh play. We got in at the bottom on Discord, and this thing can run up like crazy. $1 is a 400 million market cap. Yes, that's how early you are. The contracts were announced, which means the team can't mess with it, can't migrate, can't change the supply, can't add to it, can't do what Gala did. It's a community takeover, which means it's community run and decentralized, and it's tied to many characters that we already are well aware of. And their X profile is very good. What matters in crypto is community, especially memes. Community, how good the meme looks. Does it excite you? Does it like make you laugh? We'll get into their X in a little bit. But what drew me to this was scarce supply. Their X profile is very proactive. They're memeable. It's super early. Like, I got faded all the time on Turbo when it was an 18 mil market cap. People were saying at 50 mil, oh, John, I missed this, at a few X. And it ran to 600 mil market cap, which I think is around the market cap of Turbo currently. People faded Hoppy because Hoppy also was anonymous, like Grago. It didn't have any exchange listings, like Grago, and then Hoppy over 3x and got on Mexi. I started to realize if you want to get in super early to memes, they're oftentimes not going to have exchange listings. Turbo, when it got on Uphold, a very big exchange, it was 18 mil. So if Grago gets on a Mexi or a Bitmart or an Uphold, it's most likely going to be 20, 30, 40, 50 mil market cap, if not more. So yes, it's risky because it's a meme. Yes, it's risky because it has no exchange listings at the moment. But again, you're buying this sub 10 mil, sub 20 mil. That's the risk you take with meme coins for one, and that's the risk you take with crypto in general. Every crypto starts at the bottom. And I could not be any more happier with Grago, especially the entry we got into. $1 for Grago is nothing. Meme season is a real thing. We saw Nero just before on Bubbles, a billion market cap. We got Pepe top 100, Turbo top 100, Dog with Hat, Brett, Floki, Shiba Inu. How many meme coins are going to be in the top 100 this cycle? And Hoppy's above 100 mil. So I'm just saying, do your own research. I know some of you are going to be skeptic. Some are going to be like, oh, it ran up already. It went from 1 mil to 4 or 5 mil already. And by the way, if you want to be there for the next call, I recommend joining my Discord for the buy alerts, trade alerts, the profit taking course, the research course, the Q&A live streams, the chats. Many of our members have made 6 to 7 figures already. So if you want to be next, I recommend joining Discord. I'll put a link in the pinned comments down below. But Grago has a lot of potential. And again, it's already community driven. What's his name? Murad. He said the theme this cycle is community coins. Usually what happens with memes, with my experience, right? When I was talking about Turbo, at first people are like, oh, it's a yellow toad, whatever. It's made with AI. It's cool. It's whatever. But eventually people started catching on, being like, okay, this is pretty cool. The founder is genuine. And then over time, we went from 10K holders to 40K, 50, I think around 50K now for Turbo. And then same with Hoppy. Hoppy, we got in at 40 mil. I remember, I'll never forget. It was an 8X on the past month. And I was a little nervous. I'm like, oh man, it's an 8X up. I missed it. And then Hoppy went to 130 mil. And right now, Hoppy, we'll check in a bit, is still up. Same with Grago. We got in sub 1 million today on Discord, by the way. It was today we announced it. Yes, it's up a little bit. But again, the same people who are going to say, oh, I missed this, it's too late, or worse, trading it. And I said on X, I announced a call on X. Once they forfeit their entries for a penny, watch the floodgates open. And what's happening right now? Grog goes above a penny. Exactly what I said. This happened with Moonwell. It happened with Turbo. People love selling for 2Xs because they're scared of the coin and they just want to make their money and get taxed 50%. Do your own research, but I am very bullish on Grago. Again, Turbo was an amazing call for us, over a 50X. I wanted to replace some of the allocation I had for Turbo, a very small allocation, and put it into a new fresh play. And to me, it's Grago. We have a yellow toad now. We have a green frog with Hoppy, and now we got a blue frog named Grago. I think the name is great. Let's now go to Twitter and show you their profile. Whoever the artist is for Grago, man, kudos to them. Look at this thing. It's a blue frog with red eyes. That is so cool. Grago is the blue Pepe, and it's in Matt Beery's book of Mind Viscosity. CTO, here's a telegram. Look at some of this artwork, guys. Tell me this doesn't get you excited. And I get it. If you're in utility coins for the most part, you're like, I can never invest in this quote unquote garbage. People said the same thing about Turbo, and it made millionaires in my group. One guy bought a Lambo Urus in my group with profits from Turbo. Shout out to him. Okay. I don't care what your personal opinions of meme coins. They are here and they're here to stay, especially for this cycle. You can ignore this and be hard-headed, or you can be open-minded and do your own research. I'm just telling you from my experience, when I used to be hard-headed, it was hard watching these graphs go crazy bullish and then thinking, oh, whatever, I'll just go buy Bitcoin or something. Like, I'm telling you, like, you got to open your mind. Don't put the friggin' truck in here. Use it like rolling dice, casino money, small amounts of money if you do invest, not financial advice. But I'm just saying, you want to have some exposure to different asset classes, and memes are a very good narrative this cycle. I mean, look at this. The artwork's just impressive. It matters how proactive you are. And I mean, this is cool. So yeah, this is a few reasons why I'm very bullish. The tokenomics are amazing, 90% circulating. They burned 11% of supply. They only have sub 400 million circulating. It can burn through the cents quick. $1 is a 400 million market cap crypto. Turbo right now is around 600 million market cap before altcoin season. I'm projecting Grago to hit less than that at the end of the season, which is roughly 100x from this price. And surprisingly, that is still a very conservative price prediction. Do your own research and see for yourself if you want to get in. If you want to stay away, totally fine. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap now, and let's pull up Turbo and Hobby and see how they're doing, actually. I want to see how these other memes are doing. All right. Turbo right now on the year chart, we bought it 3026. Ready? Let's find it. I can't even find it. We bought it 3026 and then we DC'd at 307. Okay, so it was around here. Do you see how it was flat for a while, pumped, and then right here, it's over, guys. It ain't gonna pump anymore. Why bother? When's Turbo gonna pump? Sell it, guys. Sell it, sell it, sell it. Boom. Pumped, pumped. Okay, let's go to Hoppy. Hoppy, 3030. 130 mil market cap. Look at the year chart. We bought it 40 mil market cap. I forget the price around there. But look, flat, 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 pump. It pumped right here and then dumped massively. Everyone thought it was over and then boom. Look at that chart. A meme coin has one of the most bullish charts in all of crypto. That's our new play, Grago. I'm glad I got another meme added to my portfolio. I'm very curious though, do you have any memes in your portfolio? Drop a comment down below and let me know. And if you're wondering what the tip of the day is, it is to just stay the course, stay on the boat. The boat is slowly turning into a yacht. And when it's time to take profits, you're going to be so happy you've been on this ride the entire time. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like. It really helps massively. And with that being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.